was an accident. I am so sorry. Sarah!
Please don't hurt my mom.
Stay away from me! Lily, wake up, sweetheart! Somebody help
Move!
her!
Trauma team, now! Chloe is alive.
I got Chloe back and destroyed Lily.
I am perfectly fine, but my passenger is badly hurt.
We need to load her into the ambulance right now.
Lily, please don't let anything happen to you. Please, get out of the way. Step aside. I need to ask for information about my younger sister.
You cannot just push your way to the front line.
Shut your mouth before I make you regret it!
How can I help you in our hospital today?
I want to know if Lily is okay. Where is she right now?
Please provide the patient's full details, full name and date of birth. Please give me your identification to check the computer.
Could you hurry it up? I'm in a rush. Are you new here? I will not waste my time with hospital rules.
Please step back from the desk and calm down.
Get out of my way before I destroy you! Lily, wait for me. I'll be right in. The doctor said the pregnancy is healthy today. My husband will surely be very happy. Hey, you're walking too fast. I'm pregnant. Move your heavy body out of my way immediately. Watch out for the pregnant woman in the hallway. I am in a hurry.
Careful, you hit my chair!
Why were you blocking me?
I almost fell!
That is not my problem.
You should slow down in a hospital. Please be more careful.
Watch where you are me. Maybe you should move faster.
You ran into me, young lady.
You cannot push people around like a complete maniac.
Roll your useless chair away before I break it! If anything happens to my little sister, I won't forgive you, you nuisance!
An apology would have been enough.
Open these doors right now and save my sister! You must stop banging on this glass immediately. Do not touch me while I am waiting here.
You must stop banging on this door right now.
How is my sister? Do your job and fix her, or else.
Her younger sister is undergoing surgery, and she should stay calm. We are trying to take care of her younger sister.
I will kill everyone here if she dies today. It was you, wasn't it? The person who caused the accident involving my younger sister? I didn't mean to. Your apologies will not bring my little sister back. It was a terrible accident, and I am sorry. I will not forgive you.
Please stop hurting my mommy because she is innocent.
Get away from me, you annoying brat, right now! Get away from me, you annoying brat, right now! Stop looking at me like that!
Mia, please calm down.
Do not touch me!
I was not touching you.
Lily, watch out! Lily? Lily? Lily, can you hear me? I did not mean it.
The little girl only has a minor concussion today.
I deserve to go to prison for my actions.
Who is the family waiting for the patient Chloe?
Please tell me the little girl will survive this.
Chloe survived the surgery and will make a recovery. But Lily is in critical condition. However, the child you pushed suffered severe brain trauma. She is in critical condition and fighting for life.
You destroyed my innocent family today with your rage. Your violent anger caused an unimaginable tragedy today.
You are under arrest for assault and property damage.
I understand completely and will accept my fair punishment.
Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel to learn English through touching family stories every week.